Legacy traffic management, we basically what we do is we manage the traveling motorists for all different type of scenarios, situations, construction, paving, plumbing, anything that involves traffic control where we need to navigate the motorists, through a work zone or with traffic. Driver behavior on a day-to-day, it's scary. It's different. It's crazy. You got so many things going on, from people eating to dogs in your laps to texting. There's just people putting on makeup. There's so many different distractions that we have nowadays while being in traffic, which is scary.
We try to make it our best to give enough advance warning to some motorists, but now that with cell phones and stuff like that, people are always distracted. If I had one message for the motoring public, I'd ask to slow down in a work zone. Our lives depend on it.
We want to be as safe as possible in every work environment. And I always say the name of the game is going home. We want to be safe. We want to be alive. And it's very important to have that information to get to people on a day-to-day basis. We got lives on the line. We got moms, dads, uncles, sons, fathers. These are beings out in the road, and it's very important with me being in my position for doing this for 10 years that I show everybody the right way. It makes me feel good every day knowing that I got a crew of 10, 20 people to mill and paving and cement and nothing goes wrong. Everybody goes home. We always want to go the same way we came, man, with our arms and our legs. So that's very important, very important.